Let the king of my heart be the mountain where I run, the fountain I drink from. Oh, he is my song.
Yeah, all the odds are stacked against me. Obstacles, man, I've seen plenty. Trying to give some more, but I'm empty. Bones are tired and my heart's heavy, Lord. And I've got many flaws, no strength, so send me yours. Praying that you won't let me fall. You're all I'm ready for. I tried to put my faith in places I didn't need to, and the only thing that I realized is I need you. And you were there with your arms wide open, Lord, and I put hope in you. Don't understand your ways. I know there's no one taking your place. You control the breath that we take, and that's hard. Cause 2017 left scars that passed, and then Daisy both had my heart. I can't leave those thoughts in the past. Don't put my trust in you. I hope heaven's got a place for the crew. I know that you're gonna come through, cause there ain't nothing you can't do. So I call you king of my heart, give you my last breath. With tears all over my face, I'll look up and try to find faith. So I'll call you king of my heart. In my failures and my pain, I know you love me all the same. So I'll call you king of my heart. In my darkest, deepest place, and with the last breath that I take. So I'll call you king of my heart. When trouble comes my way, I'll look up to you and I'll say,